It's been just over a month since I last dyed my hair, so you can see my regrowth there. I'm going back to Smouldering Red because I had a couple of these lying around because I had gotten them on special as opposed to going to the burgundy colour because I found that they washed out about the same. So I'll section it into 4 and just go through with my little paintbrush. Oh, and I did want to mention I do have 2 boxes, but I may only use one. I'll just see how I go. I have my developer and colour creams, so I'm gonna them into my bowl. Why is this so stupid hard to get out? I'm going to start by going around all the edges of my hair from my sections. If you're wondering, I did totally forget to put gloves on, so I'm going to do that in a second. What? Mail! Mail! Yee! Thanks, honey. Feels so nice and heavy. I just have a parcel here delivered from Lila Beauty, which is Korean beauty, so yes, I know I'm on a no-buy, but anyway, I might unbox that later. I'm gonna start with this section, then do the other side, obviously, and I'm gonna focus like on the roots and then just dragging it through the hair, and hopefully I'll just need one box. I'm going to leave this in for about 30 minutes, I think, before I wash it out, and then of course I shampoo because I don't like it when it's all stuck to my scalp, and then I will use their little conditioner. Why are they always the best, these ones? It's like a leave-in treatment. I've styled my hair red. Oh, no, I haven't styled it red, fuck off. I've styled my hair straight, which I don't often do because of my bangs, which I cut myself, and you can see there's a fair bit of breakage, but I do think that it gives you a really, oh god, that's so bad, a really good view of the colour and what it looks like. So once it's all done, you can see that that colour is like a really nice red. My only thing like with this particular hair dye and this particular colour is that it doesn't last a really long time. Like by the end of the month, like as you could tell, it does look pretty scraggly. So I just wish that the colour would hold a bit better. But on the other hand, I also don't do like the cold water and stuff. Like what I used to, when I used to have coloured hair, I'd always do the cold water wash and all that stuff. But not anymore. Let's see which colour I do next month.